Hello, good afternoon. So we've come to Aishwarya Design Studio, Chiscon Junction New Upar hai, and there are some beautiful brands that have come over here with their collection. The exhibition is called Ras Bazaar, and Ras Bazaar khali 3 દિવસ માટે છે, today, tomorrow, day after, 19th, 20th and 21st of August. And over to you, ma'am.
Thank you so much for the introduction. So we are displaying 15 brands with us. We have given the platform. This is the first time we are curating such an exhibition for designers to come in front and showcase their talent. We have 15 designers, apparel, and 2 jewelry designers who are showcasing their collection.
Hello.
Hi.
So brand name?
Tamra by Randa Shah.
Okay,
I
Tamra.
have nice potlis.
So they have great potli bags.
Patola potli.
Okay, and checking out their Navratri collection, they have kalamkari ma options.
Crush में भी है.
Crush में है.
Blouses.
Gaji ma है options. Okay. Okay. कामठी स्टाइल में कहीं जोतु होए.
Mirror work also.
Mirror work पण है.
And black.
And black. So this brand is called Shades of Silver. They have pure 9 to 5 silver jewelry. You can see they have so many options to choose from. Beautiful options like these. Okay. They have rings as well and kadas. And of course, puri necklaces na sets punch hai with earrings. Okay. So this brand is called Savri, and just look at the beautiful collection they have over here. Bandhej ma options છે available. If you're looking for something that is a little plain, તમને કઈ heavy માં ના જવું હોય તો એમાં પણ options છે. Color options of course available છે. Look at these pieces that they have over here. You can see something with work done like this, which will look very elegant Navratri Vakhate and during your wedding festivities as well. So this is Aishwarya nu potanu collection, and let's see કે એમની પાસે options માં શું છે. Okay, something in black and white. You can see यहाँ બહુ જ બધા colors available છે. Something in green like this. Okay, something in pink and blue. You can see pink. Multicolor માં પણ options available છે like these. Okay. So again, lots of options to choose from. So this is Fashion Story by Janisha and Forum. Okay. They have some beautiful chania cholis like these. Okay. Some blouse options. Whites ma kai joitu hoy to whites ma bhi available છે. And these are all very lightweight. થોડા ગામઠી style prints જોઈતી હોય તો એમાં પણ options available છે. They have something in purple and red. Okay. All right. So the next brand that we have over here, this is Ami Hara by Ami Thakkar, and they also have some beautiful chania choli pieces. You can see something in mirror work like this. Okay. And they have options in heavy sleeves as well, something with a sleeve blouse. So options like these, and just look at the handwork detailing that they have over here. You have more options like these.
Hi.
So this brand is
Dodi Baksa.
okay, Dodi Baksa, and they have some beautiful collection when it comes to jewelry. So they have options like these. German silver based है, copper based jewelry है एमनी पास है. They have some beautiful kadas, necklaces है. They have some daily wear earrings as well. You can see this is their earrings no collection. Navratri માં પહેરાય એવી earrings પણ છે એમની પાસે. Okay. And they have anti-tarnish jewelry available as well. Silver jewelry માં પણ થોડા options available છે.
Hi, my brand name is Deepika Yolekar.
Okay.
And these are our collection.
So they have some beautiful chania cholis, white based chania cholis છે એમની પાસે like these.
Badla work.
Badla work માં છે. They have something with this detailing. Okay. All right. They have something in a traditional chania choli as well, like this. You can see the detailing that they have over here. Okay.
Halter neck option.
Halter neck માં પણ options છે with mirror work. So this brand is
Neha's Designer Studio.
okay, and they have some beautiful options over here. You can see our bare options in પાસે available છે. They have something in bandhej as well, like this with a Kutchi border. Okay, moving on to the next few pieces that they have. They have something in golden tissue chanderi. Okay, they have something in ombre as well. So you can see options like these. Okay,
Hello, my name is Janvi from brand Bobby Suthar.
Bobby Suthar brand છે.
We have a Gota Patti work skirt,
ગોટા પટ્ટી વર્ક નું
multicolor skirt, bandhani,
બાંધણીમાં options છે.
and this handwork.
Handwork. Okay,
And we have handwork dupattas as well.
handwork dupattas માં પણ options છે.
And Gota Patti blouses,
ગોટા પટ્ટી blouses.
full set of blouses.
Okay,
Hi, our brand name is Tahukari.
brand name
Tahukari.
ટહુકારી.
We
Okay,
have a Navratri collection.
નવરાત્રી collection છે એમની
This is
પાસે.
for Safed Ishq.
They have lots of color options
We
over
have
here.
many color options in this.
Okay, something with mirror work.
It is with 14 to 20 meters flare.
14 to 20 meters નો ફ્લેર છે. You can see અહીંયા પણ ઘણા જ બધા options છે. Something with a jacket. Okay. So this brand is called House of Sona. You can see they have some beautiful pieces over here. Something that you can wear to weddings. Something that you can wear to Navratri as well. Multi-purpose છે એમની પાસે ચણિયા ચોલીસ. Okay. Let's see a couple more options that they have. All right. And these are a few chaniya choli options. Okay. All right. Hi.
Hi.
So this brand is
Rang Couture.
Rang Couture. Okay, and let's see એમની પાસે collection માં શું છે. They have some beautiful chaniya cholis like these. You can see the detailing that they have on the sleeves. Okay, with dupatta options available છે. And એમાં ઘણા જ બધા color options છે. Like these, we'll see a couple of color options that they have over here. Okay. This is Rang Couture. Okay. And whites માં પણ options available છે. Blacks માં છે.
Hi.
Hi.
My brand name is Jashan. Jashan by Jaya Mulani.
Okay, so this is Jashan by Jaya Mulani. They have some beautiful belts for Navratri. They have some purses as well. And let's check out the chaniya cholis. Okay.
We have all the colorful range.
Colors માં ઘણા જ બધા options available છે. Of course, customizations are also possible. એમની
And
પાસે
if anyone wants to buy separate pieces, they can.
Okay. Corset style માં છે. You can see this beautiful yellow and white piece that they have over here. Hi.
Hi, my name is Prachi Patel. My brand name is Zahravar.
Okay.
We have a beautiful mirror collection. We have some corset collection, tiki collection. We have gaji patch collection.
Okay. Gaji patch.
We do customization also. You can do any color. You can choose any color, any embroidery.
Yes, my name is Sejal.
Okay. And Sejal, and this brand is.
Frills, colorful clothing.
Okay, and let's see કે એમની પાસે શું collection છે. They have this brand is called Frills. Okay, they have a beautiful collection of chaniya cholis over here. Okay, all right. So this brand is
Tara. Tara
Okay.
from Kana and Vinita.
okay, and let's see their collection.
Tara, please show the Gen Z blouse collection. We have this blouse which
Okay.
has kachi patch and the corset with the bandhani. Alternate blouse.
Alternate blouse,
Yeah,
something
the
in
same without
bandhani.
the kachi bandhani. We have kapru. We have kaprus also. Different types of kachi handwork
Okay,
and different types of blouses. Yeah. And a
okay.
quick bandana wear. So this brand is Moksha Jain label and they have some beautiful pieces over here. You can see this is something with a halter neck and they have some patches like this attached as well. They have options in pink as well. You can see they have beautiful blouses over here. Something with this embroidery work. Again, blouses ma ghana for the options share with them to choose from. Okay. On to China. Hi.
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 I'm Sangeeta Gandhi from Truzo by Sangeeta.
So this is Truzo by Sangeeta. Okay.
We have like hand ari work, bandage dupatta.
Hand adi work, bandhej dupatta,
We also have bandage with ajrak
bandhej with
or with
ajra.
hand ari. Yes.
Okay. And they have a lot of blouse options available.
We have brocade.
Okay.
We also
Brocade.
have handwork blouses,
Corset.
corsets like this.
Okay.
This is all handwork.
Rai bandhej na dupattas છે like these, and they have something in a hand painted
Painted.
okay, lehenga as well.